In front of me I've got LIX Onyx White. In this video I'll tell you what is LOD setting and how to manage it. LOD is lift off distance sensor, which is the height in millimeters. Your mouse can be lifted off the surface before it stops tracking the movement. If your mouse has LOD of 1.2 mm, it will stop tracking when lifted higher than 1.2 of the mousepad. Lower LOD is ideal for FPS and competitive gaming. Prevents unwanted cursor movement when you lift and reposition the mouse. This function improves precision and control. Higher LOD may cause the cursor to move even while the mouse is in the air. To adjust it, let's go to Endorfy software. Make sure that your mouse is connected with the PC. Go to settings and now switch it between 1 mm and 2 mm. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.